In the spotlight of fame, it is incredibly easy to mask the deepest internal struggles behind a perfect veneer of success. But according to an intimate and courageous feature by People magazine, multi-talented artist Joshua Bassett is tearing down those walls completely. In a raw, unfiltered reflection on his journey, Bassett admits that his battle with addiction got so severe that it should have killed me, turning his survival into a powerful message of hope for millions of young people. For our community at Recovered Life, Joshua's testimony is a reminder that addiction does not care about talent, youth, or accolades. Behind the chart-topping music and television success lay deep-seated emotional trauma and pressure that ultimately led to a severe substance use dependency. Bassett recounts hitting a point where his physical health completely collapsed, bringing him face-to-face with his own mortality. It was a terrifying wake-up call that forced him to choose between continuing down a self-destructive path or executing the ultimate pivot toward a healthy life. The People report highlights that Bassett didn't just get sober in secret. He chose to use his art as a vehicle for his recovery. By channeling his raw emotions, anxieties, and the processing of his trauma directly into his songwriting, his creative outlet became an essential form of medicine. He is rewriting the classic narrative of the tortured artist, proving that true, impactful creativity doesn't thrive on chaos and pain. It blossoms through clarity, sobriety, and self-love. Bassett's willingness to look back at his darkest hours and say, "I shouldn't be here, but I am," is a profound act of service. It strips away the heavy shame that so often keeps young people trapped in silence, showing them that asking for help is an act of supreme bravery, not a sign of weakness. His story reminds us that our lives are worth fighting for, no matter